This could be the day where it becomes clear what really is 3I/Atlas. One of America's most dangerous volcanoes is rumbling. This could be the day where it becomes clear what really is 3I/Atlas, the mysterious visitor from outer space, from the interstellar space actually, which is cruising through our inner solar system. It has already reached the closest point to the sun. The perihelion is now on its way out of our solar system, but it will come closest to Earth on December 19th, although with a very safe distance, obviously. Now NASA is on the case. It has scheduled a press conference for today, Tuesday, and it will reveal, or it wants to reveal, new images and new data from this mysterious visitor. It is expected to include data and photos from the two space telescopes, Hubble and Webb, also other telescopes, maybe from Earth, and scientific data that has been gathered during the fly-through of this object, which of course has stirred a heavy debate regarding if it's really not a comet but an alien spaceship. That of course has fascinated humans on Earth for the last weeks and months really. The comet, or the object, was discovered in July, and now NASA is trying to put an end to the discussion, to the UFO discussion really, with this new data. NASA has maintained that they have no doubt that it is indeed an interstellar comet, but there were also speculations on the internet why NASA is not releasing more data. There were questions about certain pictures that had not been released, and now the space agency wants to put all of this to rest. It is a very exciting countdown to probably very fascinating data coming from the American Space Agency. One of America's most dangerous volcanoes is rumbling. The talk is all about Mount Rainier, the gigantic volcano near Seattle, which of course is highly visible from the city, a fascinating peak with glaciers more than 4,000 meters tall. Now scientists have measured quite a rumbling in the depth of the volcano. It is being measured by seismological instruments, and it is sort of a constant swarm of very small earthquakes, not related to any tectonic faults, but related to the volcano, obviously. Scientists believe that this volcano can come roaring back to life. There is these measurements, these little quakes, that indicating that hot magma, hot water and gas are probably rising within the volcano. The problem with this is the location really, because it is very close to many big cities, including of course Seattle. Then there is Olympus, a town of 50,000 people right on the bottom of Mount Rainier. Of course it has been dormant for quite a while. The last eruption, which was a small one, was 1884. Then scientists believe the largest explosion really, or eruption, was 1,100 years ago. So this volcano hasn't caused any problems so far, unlike Mount St. Helens, which is part of the same mountain range which detonated in the 80s. Now the scientists are watching if this earthquake swarm, if this rumbling increases in intensity. So far they have been measuring this phenomenon for 70 hours straight, which is a little bit alarming, but many scientists said that an eruption is not quite imminent, but it is a warning sign that this mountain may come to life. The biggest danger, they warn, during an eruption would be mud flows coming down from the mountain at high speeds, which would consume anything in its way.